Hey everyone, hope all of you are fine and having a very good time. So today in this session, I'll talk about a novel that I have started to read out just yesterday. The name of that novel is actually Wuthering Heights. The central character of that novel is Heathcliff. Uh, in this novel, you will get at the same time romance, revenge, then greed for wealth, and at the same time, you will get uh, a kind of attraction for this novel. And I just have read 47 pages of this novel, and the book that I have started, it has 152. It's actually a PDF. I have started reading this novel, and I have got a full attraction of this novel. And if you read this novel, you will get a kind of attraction and a kind of, what should I say, thirst to finish this novel. It actually it attracted me a lot. So I will say you to read this novel, because if you read this novel, uh, you will get a kind of, what should I say, a kind of satisfaction. And in English literature, this novel actually plays a vital role. And the novel, it was written by Emily Bronte. Emily Bronte actually she has written very few novel in his lifetime, because she actually survived only for 30 years. And in English literature, this novel actually has taken the place, and it actually plays a vital role in English literature. So try to read this novel, and I will say, uh, whatever you can do, try to do that to increase your English level. If possible, try to read novel, or you can practice before mirror. I said in my previous video, you can practice by making videos. You can make a partner, you can practice with him. So whatever you can do to increase your English level, just try to do this. I have taken a decision to read some good novel or fiction. So that's why I have started my reading. And I have taken this novel because I know this is a very good novel in English literature, and I always felt a kind of thirst to read this novel actually. So that's why I have started it, and whenever I will finish this novel, I will try to make a review and try to publish in my page. And hopefully the review will be very much better, and you will feel a kind of thirst to read that novel also. So no more today. Keep me in your prayers. And if I do any mistake in this video, take it positively, because two is human. We human can make mistakes. So I am not exceptional one. I can do mistake also. Take it positively. Thank you. Keep me in your prayers.